guys, I'm Palak and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a DIY room decor for you guys in this video. If you've been following me lately, then you might be knowing that I'm doing a lot of clothing and style DIYs in the past, and I thought room decor video was much needed this time. So if you're watching this video, I'm sure you hold a lot of interest in DIY decor ideas and have watched videos in the past as well. Even I went through a couple of videos on YouTube, and yes, people are doing great, but then the only problem is that they end up using a lot of expensive items as well while they are decorating their rooms or homes. So I thought why not make it very affordable and within everybody's budget. So my budget for this room makeover was just 250 rupees guys, so cheap, right? So anyone out there who is having budget problems with their room makeovers, and also anyone who is already living in a rented flat and would not like to spend a lot of money into decors, then this video is absolutely for you. I did not expect such a great outcome while I was conceptualizing this video, so I am completely in love with how everything has turned out. So yes, without any further ado, let's just jump into the video.
This is how my bedroom wall looks before I start. Start off with wiping your wall and clean it off extra dirt or dust. Once that is done, I will take a stencil sheet. The details of all the material I use in this video is in the description bar below. I have selected one of these designs for my wall art. What you have to do is simply cut the sheet and stick it on the wall using masking tape so that it does not move.
I'm gonna make a mistake. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me.
Now I will take a 25 mm size brush and brown acrylic paint. Take the paint in your brush and make sure you dab the extra paint off the paper and start filling your stencil with the paint.
Not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car, lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now.
You can make any design that you'd like and repeat it all over the wall.
No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks.
This is how my wall looks after stenciling.
Feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to.
For my second DIY, that is the lamp, I need a piece of cardboard. Make sure it is 25 inches in length. I cut out a part of the carton box I had at home. Now mark 5 points at a distance of 5 inches each and cut out a strip of cardboard of about 2.5 to 3 inches width, just like how I have done it. Create folds at every 5 inches with the help of your fingers so that you can easily make a pentagon out of it. I have used glue gun to stick the ends of my strip. Repeat the step and make several polygons out of it. I have made 7 such polygons in my lamp. Paint it in any color of your choice. I have used pink acrylic paint here.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks.
Also cut out a solid polygon of the same size to cover the entire lamp once it's made. Once all the cutting is done, arrange the polygons vertically and stick them with the help of a glue gun.
I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars.
Now I will need a wire, lamp and a holder. You'll get it easily in any electrical store. Assemble all of it and attach it to the lamp cover that I have made, just like this. Hang the entire setting with the help of wall hooks and my 3D cardboard lamp is all ready. For my third DIY, I will need 10 inch by 10 inch square plywood pieces. You can get it cut from any carpenter shop. Even it out with the help of sandpaper. Now take acrylic paints and paint each piece in a different color.
Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
Now take a printout of black and white pictures on an A4 sheet. Make sure these pictures are of good quality. They can be of anything, like maybe your own pictures, animals, or anything that you'd like in your room. Cut them out and stick it on the colored blocks. I have mentioned the link to these pictures in the description box below, in case you want to check out the animal pictures that I have used in my video.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else.
Stick them with double-sided tape on the wall. They look very cute on the walls and are so easy to make as well, isn't it? For my fourth DIY, I got some sticks from my backyard. Take a waste plastic container and paint the sticks black.
I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna
Start sticking the sticks with glue gun until it's covered entirely.
try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a
Make a small bow of a rope and put your favorite greens and flowers inside this flower vase. And finally, this is how my bedroom wall looks like after putting together all my DIYs. A simple wall DIY has completely changed the look of my room. Don't you think so?
letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
Thank you for watching my video, guys. I think this wall gives a completely new look to my room. You need not do anything else if you like to keep things minimal. Let me know what do you think about this DIY in the comment section below. I will be most happy to hear it out from you guys as well. All the items that I have mentioned in the video are listed in the description box below, so don't forget to go ahead and check it out. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click that bell icon to get notified of any updates whenever I post another video on my YouTube channel. And yes, that's all for today, guys. See you soon in my next video. Till then, stay happy. Bye bye.